In the last couple of months, we've launched several cool features, some of which you may have missed. So in this video, I'll quickly talk about all of them. All the relevant links will be linked in the description. So first, let me talk about all the features we recently released. You can now open a Zerodha account for your kid completely online and invest in stocks, mutual funds and bonds together with them. To encourage investing together with your kids, we have made the account opening free and waived off the annual maintenance charges for minor accounts. We've introduced a simplified quick order window on Kite with which you can buy or sell anything with just 2 clicks. All you need to enter is the amount you want to invest or the number of shares you want to buy. You can now track Gift Nifty on Kite by searching for Gift Nifty. Gift Nifty is a popular way for traders to see the potential impact of overnight and early morning global events on Nifty. The high-low bar gives you a visual representation of where the stock is trading compared to the day's high and low prices. To encourage greater participation in government bonds, we are waiving off the 0.06% brokerage starting March 1st, 2024. After a recent backend revamp, we delivered over 1.5 plus million email contract notes in less than 25 minutes at the end of the trading day. We are happy to announce that NPS is now live on Coin. NPS is a brilliant option for saving for your retirement because it forces you to invest in a diversified portfolio of equities and debt by default. It's also one of the cheapest investments out there and is also tax efficient. In case you didn't know, we have an entire universe of products by companies that we've partnered with through Rainmatter. Here are some updates from the Zerodha extended ecosystem. To figure out all the events and developments affecting your investments, you have to check multiple applications and websites to understand what's happening with them. To make it easier for investors to get all updates about their investments in one place, we have introduced Timeline powered by Tijori on console. Think about the timeline as a social media feed, but only with the relevant information about the stocks in your portfolio. Stock Insights gives you a bird's eye view of the fundamentals of a company in your portfolio. With Streak, you can create, backtest, and deploy trading strategies based on technical analysis. The best part is you don't need to have coding skills to create strategies. Zerodha users now have unlimited access to Streak. Sensible has added several cool new features, such as a revamped FII and DII page, strategy builder, auto ATM straddle charts. Here are some updates about all the educational content we've published recently. We've been educating Indians about finance through Varsity and ZConnect, but we realized that young Indians are often ignored. This is why we launched Varsity Jr. with the aim of teaching kids about money from a young age. We've published 3 episodes so far and the response has been incredibly heartening. We recently launched the 3rd episode, which you can check out on Varsity's channel. We've revamped ZConnect to showcase all the content we publish about trading, markets, investments and Zerodha products all in one place. You'll now see the updates page where we talk about Zerodha and all the product updates. Subtext, which is a new blog we have started to explore the underappreciated aspects of markets and the global economy. And finally, Varsity blog, which has perspectives on trading and investing from the Varsity team and other guest authors. We are also publishing some really cool videos on the mistakes that people make with their money, scams that people fall for, and much more on the 01 channel. Here are some quick updates about Zerodha Fund House. We launched the Zerodha Nifty Large Mid-Cap 250 Index Fund in November 2023 and the response has been amazing. We've already crossed 1 lakh unique investors in the AMC and counting. In the last couple of months, we also launched 2 new funds. Zerodha Gold ETF or Gold Case is a low-cost option for exposure to gold. Zerodha Liquid ETF or Liquid Case is India's first liquid ETF with a growth NAV. All the existing liquid ETFs have a constant NAV and the returns are in the form of dividends. The problem is that these dividends are in the form of fractional units and they are hard to sell, which makes calculating your return extremely difficult. Also, the existing liquid ETFs are relatively tax inefficient when compared to the Zerodha Liquid ETF.